You need to go to apps here, click on apps, and type this, type cutout. Okay, I've already used it, so it comes on search bar or search bar already. And this is the one with the C icon. Okay, it says type cutout. Click here, and then it shows how it looks. This is the text, like good vibes. This is the text. You can change the text. Let's say Canva design. Okay, and then you can go here and choose the font. I'll keep it as it is. You can change your font, whatever you like. And then alignment, you can change it to center or whatever you like. And then line height, you can adjust the line height. Okay, the gap here, gap between the text above and text below. Okay, after that, okay, it's happening. Okay, so the thing is, here you have image, and then you can change the image here. Click on change image, choose file, and then you can choose this image from your computer, and we have this image as the background of the text or the design. What you can do is you can go to position, click on position, and adjust the position. Okay, like this. You can uh, rotate this image if you want, but I think I don't need to rotate. I'll keep it 0. And another thing that's very helpful is scale. Go to scale, you make it a little bigger so that it covers all the area of the text. Okay, after that you are ready to bring it to your design. So click on add to design. Now you have this design of this text ready. Okay, adjust the size and put it wherever you want to, and just export it. Now that's how you do it. That's how you do the type cutout effect on Canva.